Kids, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome back to Star Kids 3, 2, 1. We're going to be doing a fidget video. My first favorite fidget is a Pop-It. I like it because it is loud and pretty. My second favorite fidget is a wacky track. I like it because it is loud and really cool to feel. My third favorite fidget is a water timer because there's cool colors and it's like a lava lamp. My fourth favorite fidget is a squishy because it's like really cute and it looks like fries. My fifth favorite fidget is a puzzle ball because there's a rainbow on it and it's like a real puzzle. My sixth favorite fidget is a marble mesh because it is really pretty and there is a galaxy marble on the inside of it. My seventh favorite fidget is a pea popper because the face on it is very cute and it's like the real food. My eighth favorite fidget is a stress ball because it's really cool to feel and really pretty. My ninth favorite fidget is a bike chain because there's a pretty colored rubber bands on it and it's really cool to feel. My 10th favorite fidget is a monkey noodle because it's very stretchy and long. These are my top 10 favorite fidgets.